In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the NVIDIA overlay is not showing the FPS counter and instead displays NA. First, open the NVIDIA app on your computer. Once the app opens, go to the Settings section and navigate to Features. Here you will find the NVIDIA overlay option. Turn the overlay off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it on again to refresh the feature. After that, go back to Settings and open the About section. Here, make sure the beta program is disabled, and also check that your NVIDIA app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions can sometimes cause the FPS counter to stop working. Next, open the Windows search bar, type Services, and open the Services window. Scroll down through the list until you find NVIDIA Framework SDK service. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, set the startup type to Automatic. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Once that's done, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. After your PC starts again, open Search and type NVIDIA Control Panel. Then launch it. Inside the Control Panel, go to Manage 3D Settings and open the Program Settings tab. Here you can check whether your game is listed. If the game is not listed, click Add, select the game from the list, or click Browse and manually choose the game's .xx file. Finally, restart your computer one more time to make sure all settings are properly applied. After doing this, the NVIDIA Overlay FPS counter should start working normally instead of showing NA. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.